Today I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods Pros. Now they are really cool and very nice. As you can see, I have them in my ears and they cancel out noise very well. So let's just get started with the unboxing. So these are the AirPods Pros with MagSafe, and they are really cool so far. They have active noise canceling, spatial audio, transparency mode, and some other cool features. They are very different from my AirPods that I had before, because I had the regular AirPods, just the plain old lame AirPods, which are still pretty cool, but these are way better. They have a lot more bass, but that's not a bad thing because they're more like balanced. The only problem I'd say with them is that they charge with lightning, but you can't charge them wirelessly, so that doesn't really matter that it has lightning, because you can charge them wirelessly, which is really cool. Anyway, this is not really a review video on the AirPods, other than just to say that they're fantastic. This is just an unboxing video, so if you want to see a review on this video, if you want to see a long-term review on AirPods, let me know, because that will be way in the future. I'll probably wait like a year and then do a review video on these. It does have MagSafe, but it can't be charged on your phone, which doesn't make any sense, because why would you not, why would they not be able to charge on here? Like, come on. So anyways, that is it for this unboxing video. If you liked it, make sure you turn on notifications and subscribe to my other channel if you want to see gaming videos. Hadenator 9999.
Bye!